Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. I'm Kumar. This is part 7 of video series HTML CSS for the beginners. In this video, we will talk about forms and input tags. Well, let's start. Basically, forms are used to capture data from the user, such as contact forms and various online forms, where you enter your details in a website form which is further stored or saved in the database. So in this video, we find how to create the form. First, we add a boilerplate. Add a title, forms in HTML, forms and input tags in HTML. Add a form tag. We specify action attribute. In the action attribute, we specify the script file in which we write the logic how to communicate with the data with the form, such as submit.php. But for now, we don't need to leave it blank and we should focus on creating our form. First, add label tag. For the for attribute, full name, enter your full name. Between label tag, you can add the text. Now add the input type text box with a name attribute which matches the for attribute of the label. I will show you in a second why. ID, full name, placeholder, enter your full name. Let me add a line break. BR. Add a comment. Textbox. Input text. Email. Add label for email. Label in for attribute email, and between the label again email. BR for next line. Input type email and name email as I showed you earlier, which match to for attribute. ID is also email. And why this text type is email? Because it validates the text with the email. If it's not an email address, it will throw a validation error which is on client side. Let me show this in the action. So add a submit button. Submit input colon submit Now look, when we add email address, window, at gmail.com. No error. But other than email format, we add. Now we get the validation error. So it's a good practice to use email address text box to capture email address. Now text area. So first we add a label, message, text area, name message, ID message, column 30, row 10, and placeholder. Enter in your message. Add a PR. This is a message box. You can add multiple lines in this message box. The row and columns attribute are used to define width and height of this message box. So let's increase it to 50 and decrease the row to 1. Now let's see what happens. So now you can see, because row is 1, the message box is look like a text box. So we should give the row value to back to 10. Now we add a drop down box. Label, gender, select gender, and now you can see this drop-down is empty. Now we should add choices into it. So we add option, value male, female. In this option, if you want to pre-select this other option other than the top, you can use selected attribute. It automatically selects female over to the male. Add BR. Now we add number type, input colon, number. Let it be age. I forgot to add label. Now we add calendar. Input colon date, DOT, label, DOB, date of birth. Forgot to add label value, age. Let me comment this submit button for a second. Now add radio button. Radio button are used for multiple choice answers where you have to select only one answer. So for the radio button, input_radio. Course, add label, BR, add the value for the radio button, value, HTML, JavaScript, Node.js. And now for the radio button text, you have to simply write in front of the button HTML, JavaScript, Node.js. And now we use checkbox. Label, hobbies, input, checkbox, name, hobbies, value, singing, value dancing, and beatboxing. And now same as what we have done in a radio button, but first we add PR to the radio button and BR the label and thinking dancing by using checkbox you can check multiple options from the form. It is a convenient option to add a checkbox where you have multiple answers. Add BR, input, reset, input reset is used for resetting the form. If you click the reset button, it will clear the form. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for the regular update from this channel. Thank you.